Introducing IBM Z Omegaman AI Insights 2.2, the AI-driven insight solution that detects anomalies in near real time, providing you with enhanced visibility and control over your operations. Omegaman AI models provide visibility into your z/OS operations to ensure cost control, optimal performance of your environment, and protection of your transactional workload. By continuously learning and evolving, it enhances decision-making, predicts anomalies as they happen, and equips you with the insights needed to optimize your operations. Omegaman AI Insights continuously monitors your data and detects anomalies when they occur before they become problems. But how are we helping our customers? z/OS CPU time workloads, alerting on critical overconsumption to control costs and better manage your mainframe budgets. Network transmit segment, alerting on critical divergence of transmit segments to detect internal data exfiltration. CICS response time, alerting on outliers in transactional response time to ensure performance and protect critical workloads of your regions, and many more. We'll show you how our solution can help you optimize costs and receive proactive alerts. Take control of your operations with AI-driven insights in near real time with IBM Z Omegaman AI Insights 2.2. Request a demo today.